Good day, I am Roland M. Guerra, a licensed professional teacher and a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino at Caraga State University main campus. I am passionate about teaching, inspiring students, and creating engaging learning experiences that help learners grow academically and personally. Throughout my academic journey and work experiences, I developed strong skills communication, leadership, teamwork, and classroom management. I work as a teacher too at Timber City Academy where I help execute effective teaching strategies and manage collaborative activities that promote student participation and development. I also gained experience as an event stylist and coordinator at Jubar's event and wedding center point, where I enhanced my creativity, organization, and time management skills. And given as I am a choreographer for a decade, I can say that I can work with a diverse class and a diverse community. Aside from teaching, I am also passionate about arts. My talents including dancing, theater performance, drawing, and painting, which help me become more creative, expressive, and confident. These talents also allow me to create more interactive and engaging learning environment for students. One of my greatest achievements is becoming a licensed professional teacher, which strengthened my commitment to providing quality education and being a positive role model in students. I take pride in my ability to adopt different learning styles and develop meaningful lesson plans that encourage students to participate actively in class. As an aspiring educator, I am eager to continue learning, contribute positively to your institution, and inspire students to achieve their fullest potential. Thank you for taking the time to know me, and I look forward to becoming part of your institution.